Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
You are welcome to our today's class. We are still on the Npce tutorial review. So we look at the last quiz we did, test we did, and as usual we answer the questions and deliberate on the answers and see what we can make out of the options. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
All right, so without wasting time, let's go to the first question. Today we look at the basic dispensing theory, BDT. So let's look at the first question. The first question says what?
Creams which are composed of small droplets of oil dispersed in a continuous water phase are called A. Hydrophobic cream, B. Hydrophilic cream, C. Water in oil creams, and D. None of the above.
Again.
Creams which are composed of small droplets of oil dispersed in a continuous water phase are called A. Hydrophobic cream,
Okay.
B. Hydrophilic cream,
Okay.
C. Water in oil cream,
Okay.
and D. None of the above.
What's the answer?
Hydrophilic.
Why hydrophilic?
Because it's water.
Why hydrophilic?
Because in creams, there are basically two types:
Okay.
hydrophobic and hydrophilic.
Okay.
So in hydrophobic cream, the continuous phase is oil, while the discontinuous phase is water.
Okay.
So as the question says, small droplets of oil dispersed in a continuous water phase. So our keyword there is continuous and dispersed.
Okay.
So since oil is inside water, then we have hydrophilic.
Okay.
Some of people say that oil is inside water. I do. Water is inside oil.
Philic.
So instead of using normal English, because the answer is already there, which are composed of small droplets of oil in dispersed. So continuous is hydro.
So if you're asked to explain this and you say this,
I failed.
hear it.
So the way she said it is
Two of you hear it.
what else have I?
If you're asked to explain this now, you have not you have said nothing.
Oh.
For real. You have made an assertion. You have to link it. Link the statement you made is not wrong. But you have to link it in what you are saying. How does it make it hydrophilic? That's the question. Am I forgetting? Yes, I agree. Water, oil and water. Wonderful. Then how does it make it hydrophilic? That linkage is what you are missing. How does it make it hydrophilic?
It's hydrophilic because the continuous phase is water.
I agree with you, but how is that hydrophilic? What makes it hydrophilic now?
What makes it hydrophilic? It has a moisturizing effect.
Okay, let me help you. Now I agree with you, but you have to link it. Please learn how to link it, because remember the question. Some questions, OBJ questions, can be technical, and if you don't have the basic understanding, you may find it difficult to pull out. You don't know this time around. They are going into what is it called, CBT. You don't know the set of people that they will contract to set this question. You don't know. But recently now, there's a wave now in this country, a wave of curbing exam malpractice. The wave is serious now. Even WAEC from next year is CBT. It's a serious wave now. So because they believe that with CBT you are there with your system, eyeball to eyeball. If your system has eyeball, you are there.
So you have to know something else.
No. So now let me explain. You know, someone that's battling with the system, you don't have time to look for who will.
Number one.
Of course, your one may not be the same one with another person. So the point I'm trying to make is this: you know how to understand your answers, understand whatever option you are given. Now look up. Basically, in every dispense product, the vehicle or the continuous phase, the vehicle or what have you, determine the consistency of that product. The vehicle, the base, or whatever you call it, determine the consistency of that product. If the vehicle is aqueous, the entire product will be what? Aqueous. Because it's aqueous. The entire product will be what? Aqueous. Yes. If the vehicle is viscous, the entire product will be what? Viscous. Because do you know why? The vehicle they constitute the larger proportion of the entire products. So if the larger proportion of a cream is water, small oil droplet is dispersed in water. So if the entire product, the larger proportion of that particular product is water, so it is clear that the entire product will be water-like. That makes it what? Hydrophilic. Then if the entire product, the larger proportion of the product is what? Is what? Oily. That means the product we attract oil more. We will be more oil likened.
Just like vitamin C.
Good. Okay.
Vitamin C, it's oily. Vitamin C syrup.
Okay.
I think it's viscous.
It's because the vehicle is what? Syrup.
So paracetamol, you can say that paracetamol syrup for baby. For that,
It's somehow
so it's a hydro. What have you? It's hydro.
Please, the syrup is not oily. Not syrup is oily.
That paracetamol for baby.
Is it injected?
Sure, so it's not thick.
You know we have paracetamol as suspension too. We also have paracetamol as syrup. Now, but in this case now, because the entire oil is more, so that means the product will what? Oil like it will what? Hydrophobic. Not oil and water. Oil and water. Wow. No. You say it. You yeah. Yeah, it is. Both from the consistency. You know what I mean by consistency? How it look like, appear, and how they feel and everything.
Sir, you say the entire medium, the products. You say the entire medium is oily. That the products will be oily.
I say the larger portion of it, which is the vehicle, or the continuous phase in this case now, the continuous phase, because water is the continuous phase, the one that has larger proportion. It will overshadow the smaller.
So let's say volume determines the type.
Yes.
So if maybe the oil now is plenty, so that means it's going to be hydrophobic.
Yes.
But if the water is plenty, it's going to be hydrophilic.
Yes. And that is the reason why we have what is called. Are we together? Please, one hands, please. And that is the reason why we have what is called phase inversion as a problem. Have you heard of the term phase inversion in an emotion problem? In an emotion, there's what's called phase inversion. An emotion that was supposed to be water in oil. Emotion that was supposed to be water in oil. That means water should be less than what? The oil. The oil should be more. And you go and they allow Oil to be more than the water. It will invert. Instead of producing water in oil emulsion, you are producing what? Oil in water emulsion. We call it phase inversion. Is that clear? So these are things you learn how to link your questions, answers, link your answers properly. And that's why some people, we enter the same example to write the theory. This person will be scoring high, another person will be scoring, because you're just talking. You're not linking up anything. Link your answers to the question you ask. Am I communicating? Yes. So
the answer is B.
Yes, the answer is B. Others are wrong. Because hydrophobic creams, hydrophobic is what? Water in what? Water in what? Oil, right? Good.
Which of the following is not a property of an ideal base?
You said what?
Which of the following is not a property of an ideal cream base?
Okay.
The ability to release its incorporated medicaments. B. Smoothness. C. Non-irritating and sensitizing properties. D. Insertness against chemicals that may be incorporated.
It says, which of the following is not a property of what? An ideal cream. A. Ability to release its incorporated medicaments. B. Smoothness. C. Non-irritating and sensitizing properties. D. Inertness against chemicals that may be incorporated. What's the answer?
The answer is B.
B?
Yes.
Why B?
Because when we did the lecture 2 weeks ago, we usually said we are doing pharmaceutical products, not cosmetic products.
Okay.
So for us to make a nice pharmaceutical product, one, it should release the medicaments that is mixed with it.
Okay.
Stop hiding products.
Huh?
No.
You said what?
I said for a good cream base,
Okay.
if they should incorporate anything with it, when it's time for application, they should be able to release the things that they put in it.
Okay.
See, non-irritating, yes, it should be non-irritating, not that somebody will use it now and you start having probably itchy eyes and allergy. Then inert against chemicals that will be incorporated. Yes, it should not react, it should not cause a reaction of the cream or with whatsoever that you are going to add to it, either to destroy it or to destroy it. So it's smoothness. What was the smoothness of cream base?
Do you agree with that? Does anyone has a counter opinion? Do you all agree with that? The A says ability to release its incorporated medicaments. Yes, you should be able to release the what? Medicaments. You should be able to do that. B is smoothness. Please, smoothness is not totally wrong. Hope you know.
Yes.
It's not totally wrong. So let's go again. C is what? Non-irritating and sensitizing what? Properties. Non-irritating. Is it an ideal property of a property of an ideal cream? Should it be non-irritating?
Yes. Non-irritating, non-toxic, and non-reactive.
Okay. D says what? Inertness against chemicals that may be what? Incorporated.
Why should it react with? Why should the wool fat react with benzoate? It shouldn't.
Okay, so what is the most appropriate answer now? B. Good. Even though at least it should be smooth, but in this case now, among all this one now, The one that doesn't have much weight is what? Smoothness. Number 3.
Classes of ointment bases include A. Hydrocarbon base and water soluble base. B. Water miscible base and water absorption base. C. A and B only. D. None of the above.
What's the answer?
C.
C.
Classes of ultimate bases include
Yes.
or
Hydrocarbon absorption base, water miscible and water soluble base. So we are having the 2 options. Why not just pick C?
Any counter opinion? Huh? You say yes? It's A.
C.
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, so the answer is C. Hydrocarbon base, water soluble base, water miscible base, absorption base. Number 4.
Which of the following
bases are suitable for sterile products? Hydrocarbon bases, water miscible bases, water soluble bases. A, O, T, A.
Good morning, hi there.
All of the above.
Sorry, let her read.
Which of the
Let's
following
focus on read.
bases are suitable for sterile products?
Okay.
A. Hydrocarbon bases. B. Water miscible bases. C. Water soluble bases. And D. All of the above.
What's the answer?
For sterilize and
What's the answer?
is everything
Which of the following bases are suitable for sterile products?
it must be hydrocarbon basis because it's sterilized, something that will not be sterilized, and water miscible basis.
For me, I feel it's hydrocarbon base because hydrocarbon
Is
are
hydrocarbon
suitable for oil, water and oil. That's a hydrophobic. And water creates a nice, beautiful house for microorganisms. So why not go for something that will not make them happy or comfortable?
What do you say? What's the answer? Which answer do you choose? Please allow her. Which answer do you choose?
What do you have explained?
Leave the A alone. Which answer do you choose?
Explain the same thing, hydrocarbon.
Which answer? Okay, choose the hydrocarbon base. Okay, I hear you. Which answer did you choose?
This is my own.
Say your own. Let's say your own.
My own is that which of the following bases are suitable for sterilized products? Mine is I'll choose water soluble bases
Why?
because water soluble so it's very sterile.
I didn't like a counter opinion from what she said. Please, this question. What in the first place? What is a sterile product?
A sterile product is one that is free from microorganisms and parasites. Must be 100%. 100% free from microorganisms and pyrogen.
So what the question you should ask yourself is this: can any of these products formed with this basis be sterilized? Can we be able? Is it possible to be able to prepare, irrespective of the base you want to use, a sterile product?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
Yes, like this thing now.
What is the answer now? What's the answer now?
Yes. And not like biotic air ointment now.
Wait. What is now the answer?
All of the above.
All of the above now. The base you are using here is inconsequential. What matters is that it is what? Sterile. Confusion everywhere. What matters is that it's what? Sterile. Whether it is get whatever. So far you are using the ingredients you are using are what? Sterile. So far we are formatting it in a sterile what? Environment. So far that is doing the thing is you are also what? Sterile. That your hand is also what? Sterile. Everything will become what? Sterile. Irrespective of the base you are using. Exactly. This question is there to confuse you. To know whether you actually have an understanding of what sterile product.
Irrespective.
Have you seen why we did sterile product in your listing? There are a lot of things. But if you understood that thing, that's
so in one word, anything can be used to make sterile products as long as it has the ability to be sterilized.
So far it can be so far the ingredient can be what? Sterilized, and so far you have what it takes in the head. So you are good to go. Is that clear? If you remember in that sterile product, we did a lot of things. There are a lot of products that we did. If you understood that thing, this question will be easy for you to answer. All right, so number 5. We are doing number 5.
Which of the following is not a property of a well-made ointment? A. Uniform throughout. B. Free from grittiness. C. Should have a fine texture. And D. Should contain coarse particles.
What's the answer?
D.
Eh? D is what?
Should have coarse particles.
I said, which one is not a property? It's not a property of the well-made ointment. The well-made ointment should not
contain white everything
any particle at all. It has to be
smooth. Should right. The surface area should not be.
So what is the answer now?
D.
D is what?
Should contain
coarse particles. So is the answer now.
Okay, let's look at the options. The first one says
uniform throughout.
Uniform throughout. Yes, because if it's not uniform, you'll not be able to. If you apply it, some may not contain the active ingredients. So I agree. A is a property of what? So it's not the answer, but the question said not.
Yes.
B, what is grittiness?
What should be had?
What is grittiness?
Gritty. No,
like, is it the same thing with texture?
I ask you, ask me back. I ask what is the same with texture? I ask you a question, find out, and let me know. She packaged the question and sent it back to me.
Gritty means
what does it?
Particles, not
something.
Not something.
Sandy.
Read what is there.
Sandy. What they say for something to be covered with grit. What's grit?
Just start
Small loose particles.
Grittiness is what?
To contain loose particles.
Loose particles that do what? That's all. Is that all you saw? You mean you have to write it. Find out your own too. Alright now. Do your own. I don't have that.
The physical quality of having small hard particles like grit, or a small abstract sense of
Small hard particles.
Small hard particles.
Hard. Okay. So it's called a what? Grit. So that means you should not be applying it to. Let's see, you see one stone on your skin. Is that clear? Number C is what?
Should have a fine texture.
So what do you have to say about that?
Ointment are meant to be smooth when being applied and not having a very weird texture. So it can easily absorb to the skin, but the skin can easily absorb.
Number D is what?
Should contain glass particles.
So what is the answer?
D.
D.
Yes.
What's the answer?
D.
Number 6.
But wait, ointment.
Like penicillin.
Ointment.
Biotic N.
Like penicillin.
Ointment. Is it smooth?
Yes. Yeah, no, it is. You have to put it on box on wood self.
But ointment can
With
be
the ointment, biotic N ointment,
There's one ointment only for this case. If you are having a bacteria, maybe you're having
that one is a sterile
ointment.
So what's the answer?
The answer is D. You have to do shuku my way.
Okay. No, number 5 says what?
Number 6.
6. Sorry, 6.
One of the following is a class of absorption bases.
Okay.
A. Non-emulsified base.
Okay.
B. Oil water emulsion.
Okay.
C. Emulsified base.
Okay.
And D. None of the above.
What's the answer?
Is a class absorption emulsified.
What are absorption bases? What are they? What do you understand by the term absorption bases? That should be the first question you ask yourself. What absorption bases? What are they? So Oya, you have done this in your class. Tell me now.
Absorption. It will be absorbed.
Okay, bases that are absorbed. Okay now.
Yes. Yeah.
What are absorption bases?
Absorption base is an homogeneous composition containing an emulsifier or emulsifiers such that the composition is capable of absorbing water to form an emulsion of the water in oil type.
Again.
Absorption base is an homogeneous composition containing an emulsifier or emulsifiers such that the composition is capable of absorbing water to form an emulsion of the water in oil type.
So are they already emulsified?
Sir, they
Are they already emulsified?
yes.
Capable of forming. They are capable of forming. Potentially, when they come in contact with water, they can form.
Water in oil.
So are they already emulsified?
It says it contains emulsifier.
Well, if there is something is already emulsified, what does it mean?
It's already
It's capable of making an emulsion state.
If something is emulsified, what does it mean?
Probably as oil. Emulsified means when two immiscible liquids become miscible.
So emulsion is already formed now. So is I don't know if it's emulsified. No.
See,
Huh?
it's confusing.
Emulsified when you put two liquids together, completely blended together.
I'm telling you how to think. That's what I'm asking you this way, and that's why I'm happy it's confusing.
Okay.
Because you are now learning how to think, not just you do. You say that you say something here now that as long as that they have emulsifier in them.
It already have
Emulsifier. But are they emulsified?
No.
Good. Then when they come in contact with what, they will now form. So are they emulsified?
No.
So what about? So what is the answer to this question now?
None of the above.
No, it's option B now.
B is what?
There's nothing like what you're asking type class of absorption base. So when the water emulsion does not even.
So what is the answer now?
It's none of the above.
They say it's oleaginous. So that means oily. They are waiting, but they have emulsifying agents.
Okay.
So they are waiting for when they come in contact with So now, what is the answer?
Non-emulsified base. Option A.
Explain what?
Just that permit the incorporation of aquation solution. Creation of water in oil emulsion. So it's here.
What's the answer?
Option A.
I read it. Let's see. I read. Wait. No, you must read it. Let's see it. Is what? Read that. I want to hear it from your mouth. Oh, yeah, read.
Permit the incorporation of
Please listen carefully now, please.
those that
What are you reading?
non-emulsified base.
Okay.
Those that permit the incorporation of aqueous solutions resulting in the formation of water in oil emulsion.
Examples are what?
Hydrophilic petrolatum, anhydrous lalonyl, that's sulfide, wood aqueous, then both are very.
You said you hear with your mouth that these bases, they are some bases that they already have, they are homogeneous one,
Yes.
and they have emulsifiers.
Okay.
So they are waiting for when they come in contact with water. Is that clear? So they are not emulsified yet. They are non-emulsified what? Bases. Go back to your material again. So you go and read again. Go back. I like this. It's showing that there's need for you to go back and do what? Study. Yeah. By the time you go back again now, it will stick. Is that clear? You have a deeper understanding of this concept. Is that clear? Then the next one is what? Number what?
Number 7.
Says what?
Constituents of hydrocarbon bases include A. Salt paraffin, B. Hard paraffin, C. Liquid paraffin, D. All of the above.
What's the answer?
Paraffin is paraffin. All of the above.
So what's the answer? All of the above, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Àti liquid o, àti hard o, àti soft o.
Whether paraffin and paraffin, all of them, but they are not used for the dissenting. Hope you know.
Yes.
Hope you know. Hard paraffin, they are more of solid, right? Number 8 says what?
Number 8, the techniques in which ingredients are melted together and stirred to ensure homogeneity is called A. Trituration, B. Homogeneous, C. Solution, D. Ointment.
Again.
The technique in which ingredients are melted together and stirred to ensure homogeneity is called saturation.
What's the answer?
Trituration. Solution is solution. Ointment is.
But they don't get stirring.
Okay, let's start from it. Trituration is what?
Is the process by which
Is trituration actually mixing? Is it all about mixing?
this process
Trituration. Does it have grinding in it? Trituration as a technique. You know, this technique have a lot of. So some of these techniques may have one or two for operations. So what are the operations under trituration? What are the operations under trituration? We have fundamental, listen carefully, in dispensing we have fundamental operations in compounding. We have weighing, we have size reduction, we have size
measurement,
separation, we have measurement, we have grinding, or the one you call comminution, right? Comminution, right? Then we have a lot of but they are not techniques. This is our operations. So no the difference between techniques and operations.
so from measuring, weighing,
Those ones are operations.
operation.
Now, a technique may have 1, 2 operations combined together. Like now, this preparation is not just mixing. Hope you know. There's grinding there. So in tradition you are mixing
At the same time.
and you are what grinding. Mainly.
Creating homogeneity.
Yeah, and you can create homogeneity. Quite alright, I agree with you. Now, but look at the question. The question says the process of what? Why you do what? You melt ingredients together and stir. Stirring. You are stirring. You are not grinding anything. You are stirring. So what are you doing? You already melted, right? You mix, right, to form a homogeneous face, right? Mixing.
Isn't not ultimate, right?
Ointment is out of
Solution self going.
is me. Homogeneous.
That option is somehow. Who is there?
Why is out there?
Which homogeneous just with them.
What is tractation?
Tractation is the process in which ingredients are being incorporated together. So lactitration can involve
You say what?
process of
Doing what? No, it's not. Where did you get that the definition from?
doing
Doing is the definition of tractation. Please check it up. I've told you what tractation is, but check it up. Let's see what you get.
refers to the process of grinding a substance into a fine powder, often within a liquid or the mixing of finely ground powders.
So
Trituration involves grinding,
and what?
mixing.
Is that not what I said here now?
So what's not the answer?
So they are both correct.
What's correct?
Saturation and blending.
And what?
But how is it? Homogeneous is a complete option. You get that homogeneous something, no, it's not complete. Exactly. So it's not suitable. So you should go for the most suitable.
You said something here now, and that's why I came closer, so I can
They are
understand
both correct in this.
what are correct.
Saturation and homogeneous.
What made that saturation correct?
Because saturation is still the process of
Doing what?
You're still you're mixing. You are still easy. Exactly.
No, see, you cannot obtain homogeneity in different ways. You cannot obtain homogeneity with different techniques. Am I communicating? Now, if you are stirring something, see, if you mention stirring, so far stirring has entered. One, you have melted, maybe they are in waxy this thing. Wait, though. Solution. Must solution necessarily be solid in liquid? Can we obtain solution of semi-solids? Can we melt substances? Do we have solution of we have solution of liquid and liquid? Let's look at different reading form now. We have solution of liquid and liquid. Agree, right? Good. And we have solution of solid and liquid. Two of us. Now, can we get a solution of semi-solid? Is it possible?
It's possible now.
Solution is a liquid dosage form. Abi. So how is this emission?
I ask a question. Is it possible?
No.
It's possible now. In as long as they are mixing liquid and solid together. So it depends on the consistency you want.
Some of these liquids, oil.
Yes.
Some of the liquid may even come as block. As this, once you melt it, it becomes liquid.
Yeah.
Check it up now. Can we get a solution of no? Can we get a solution of what? Semi-solid. Check it up. I don't baby. Yes answer.
That's easy.
Check. Get evidence. Let's see. Get evidence. Let's see. Now you are thinking. After this class, they can't headache you have.
Yes.
Huh?
What did you ask?
Is this a solid solution?
Yes.
This one said dosage form usually gel, cream, ointment, which are applied
No.
usually into the mucosal surface for the either local or systemic effects.
What did you see? What did you ask?
I said, can we get anything as semi-solid solution? Because when I first used the
Semi-solid one now, gel or those gel.
Kan tó sọ ni pé ṣé wọ́n lè wà bí solution.
I didn't say that semi-solid is a solution. You know what I said? I said, can we get
A solution that is semi-solid.
mixing of semi-solid to get a solution? Is it possible?
Semi-solid. So can it be
We mix. You can mix solid and liquid and get a solution. You can mix liquid and liquid and get a solution. So is it possible to mix maybe liquid and semi-solid to get a solution, or even semi-solid and semi-solid, melt them together? Because is there any solution that can come that will contain semi-solid? That's the question. Is there any solution that will contain semi-solid? You can ask it this way: is there any solution that can contain semi-solid? Is there any semi-solid containing solution? The same way, so we have solid containing solution. In there, the solid is now the word solute, right? Mm-hmm. Did you see anything?
So, there's something here says, people are, what is semi-solid solution? Says, it is a substance that's in between solid and liquid. Another name for a semi-solid is quasi-solid.
Wait. After turn by turn, read that, but let's hear you.
It is a substance that is in between a solid and a liquid. Another name for a semi-solid is a quasi-solid. Mayonnaise is an example of a semi-solid. Mayonnaise does not hold its shape like a solid, but does not flow like a liquid.
No, that's not the
Like
what
gelatin.
I'm looking for. What do you see? What do you see?
When it says gelatin dissolved in water, warm in solution, or honey, when mixed with warm water or another solvent, like that, gel too,
Gel and cream.
and suspension.
Usually gel.
So you know that
So what?
semi-solid forms include ointment, creams, gels, paste, elements, suppositories, and
See, the options are not wonderful options anyway. Are we together? The options are not wonderful options, but I'm trying to see how we can go around the options, because the options doesn't make sense. Titration, what they describe here, what they describe here, are we together?
Yes.
What they describe here in the question is not titration. Is that clear? It's not titration. So you can never call it what? Titration. It's not. It's not what? Titration. Because do you know what you stir? You stir something that already has liquid.
So that means you have the question, the option, no.
Exactly. And the option has this shape, but because of that stirring, the closest there is what? The closest there is what? Solution.
But it is not, solution is not a technique.
That I said the closest based on how the question, maybe they didn't structure the option very well. Is that clear? Maybe they would have said dissolution. Do you know why I am browsing for this solution? Maybe they didn't coin if they are saying, if they had said dissolution, I would have said okay. But why I'm opting for this, because you know that say you are here now, you talk about soft paraffin, liquid paraffin, hard paraffin. Now if you have a fat soluble ingredient that may even be solid or even liquid, and before you can mix them together, you would have melted, right? If you melt them now, one will dissolve in the other one, two of us, and they will form a uniform system because it is soluble in it. That's why it's fast soluble, hydrolipophilic. It dissolves in fat. So if it dissolve everything, if it dissolve and get a liquid consistency, it's dissolution. So whatever is here, the dissolution. Not always think of water alone. Yes, don't think of water. That's why we have some liquid that dissolve in oil. True of us. Is that not a solution? Is it a suspension? Am I committing?
Yes, sir.
Do you know why you cannot call emotion a solution? As an emotion, solution, go. Because they just mixed. They can separate, but solution does not separate. So a substance that is soluble in oil can dissolve in that oil. So the dissolution is from where? Dissolving. The act or the noun formed from what? Dissolving is what? Dissolution. Is that clear? Dissolution is the act of dissolving. But what formed from that dissolution is a what? Solution. So that's why I said that I ran for what? Solution. Maybe they did not fix the option the way that would suit the question. But if you answer the question and don't be surprised that if you go and mark other things, you fail it. The answer will still be what? Solution.
It's bonus.
It's not bonus anything.
It's bonus. The option is not. It's not option. It's bonus.
If you like the bonus yourself, the answer is
not fair.
Solution. The answer is
not a technique.
The answer is what? The answer is what?
C.
The answer is C. See, I agree. It's not thinking, but other options have no business with what was described. No. Understand where I'm going to. Understand where I'm going to.
So now it's not homogeneous.
Other options have no business with what was described in the question. The only one that has a business with it is that what? Solution.
They melt together and they
Stay. Homogeneous. They are better than a solution.
Solution. I'm not saying that homogeneous. Because homogeneous is about the washing.
The steering alone has told you something. If it is grinding, you try to.
If it is homogeneous like water and global. But solution.
You should not bring this nonsense question on our own exam.
It's
Okay, see. You know what it means is this. I always please. I think let's case closed. Anyway, that enter should take this way. Now, actually, okay. Hello. Let us now look at it from it. I like what's happening here. You are thinking this is type of student I want to build. Those that think, not those that cram question and that and go and write the exam. Those that think and reason out something. Now look at it. Okay, now if you get a solid,
Put butter and the
no, I'm just if in a mortar now, in a mortar, and you get a liquid and get something that can dissolve in that liquid, right? In small mortar and put it and use your pestle. What are you doing? Are you calculating it?
Water and semi-solid.
Water and what?
Maybe any liquid, you want water and a solid that can dissolve in it and put a small amount and now use your pestle to do it. Like what are you doing?
Can say you are triturating. Now we know you are communicating.
Yeah, what?
No, that's something.
Okay. Now you just use just stirring rod just to be balanced and be doing like this. What are you doing? Stirring. So does titration have to do with stirring?
No.
Then titration is grinding. Only steering said like you steering like let's
All right, let's go. Hello, please. Let's go. Please.
But as long as the density is there, the answer is solution.
Now let's continue. The next question says what? Number what?
9.
Okay.
Which of these ointment bases are not very suitable for scalp conditions? A. Hydrocarbon bases. B. Absorption bases. C. A and B only. And D. None of the above.
That's question number what? Sorry.
Number 9.
Read the question again, please.
Which of these ointment bases are not very suitable for scalp conditions?
Okay.
A. Hydrocarbon bases. B. Absorption bases.
Okay.
C. A and B only.
Okay.
And D. None of the above.
What is the answer?
Scalp condition.
What is the answer? Bagam. What's the answer? None of the. Why did you choose none of the above?
It's hydrocarbon bases that do it's but they are
What's the answer?
None of the above.
A and B. Why did you say A and B? No, someone said A and B. What you mean say why did you say A and B?
Sir, this
Please listen to her, please.
this absorption, it absorbs water. Okay. Then this hydrocarbon is contained. It can be liquid paraffin, which is oil. So when I apply it to our
Someone is talking to please.
when applying to our hair, we need water so that we can absorb some the oil. So I choose air. That's why I choose air.
So this hydrocarbon base, these hydrocarbon base, they say they are called oleaginous base, which usually consists of soft paraffin, example petroleum jelly, and you can find petroleum jelly in your Vaseline, yes, Vaseline and so which makes it suitable for what's it called, for scalp, yes. but hydrocarbon base, they are less occlusive than absorption base, they are less occlusive than hydrocarbon base. So they are only good emollients that consist oil soluble medicaments to penetrate the skin, and they are easily spread than hydrocarbon, which makes it just the best option. I don't know if the explanation is explaining.
So what's the answer now?
Absorption base for me.
Now let me ask a striking question. Let me ask a striking question. Do you use most of the things you apply down with your hair now? You know the scalp is under now. Do you use? Is it greasy? What you applying down?
It's greasy. It's greasy. Everything is greasy. It's greasy.
It's really hair condition.
It's greasy. Oh no,
It's not as greasy as hair.
but it has oil. It makes it makes that you put it, you put your hand, you make it's oily. Even your living conditioner says if you read through
Is it every ointment that is oil?
no.
So what do you say is oil?
Sorry, I don't like to say
Is it every ointment that is oily?
it's not everything that is oily.
Ointments.
Some are water based, like some are oil based.
Like this Whitfield ointment now, it's not oily. Whitfield ointment is not oily.
Now, let me ask you a question. We are talking about ideas. See, there's something I want you to understand. I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry, but it's a reality. I'm sorry to say this, but it's a reality. So some of these things you see in the markets are not prepared. I don't know how. In fact, I don't know how they prepared it. There are some things you see. They start contradicting with what you have already learned in class here. Am I communicating? In reality, if you use oil-based something and use something that is not oil-based, which of them can penetrate, can enter on the scalp very well and spread under the scalp very well without hanging on the hair? The oily one can hang here, but water can penetrate. That's why if you pour oil on your hair, it will. But water will gently enter and spread than that one. So what is which of this is what is ideal? Which of them is ideal?
Neither.
Which of them is ideal for?
It's neither of the two.
So what is the answer now?
Because absorption base only allows they assist oil soluble medicaments, and for like you just said now, for something to penetrate the air well, it must contain water.
Medicament that it has to be in that form for it to how that place to be in that form.
We are not hair, not scalp. Your target, if your target is hair, it will hang on the hair and do it. Your target is scalp.
So what the one that you have to split the hair like this, I think it's one thing. I will put it on the
That's not what we are saying. We don't want oil.
What you're looking for is scalp. Your scalp is issue.
Of a good vertical blood that it was easily accessible to wherever you want to use
To go.
Not that I want that I will not start cutting the hair and let it go straight.
So the ideal one is not hydrophobic base. You don't use anything that's hydrophobic. And absorption base is homogeneous on its own. Two of us, the hydrocarbon is that one is another. So two of them is not ideal. So what is the answer?
None of them.
Be careful while you're answering your question. Look at the question again. Look at the option.
Okay, it's not
If you say none of them, that means you even say that A and B. Please be careful about how you answer your question.
So both A and B.
And don't have you shouted, none of them move, none of them move. Please. See, The option
This is when
OBJ, see, essay questions. If you know it, you know it. You can relax and write it. But OBJ, if you're not careful, what you know, you fail it. You know, OBJ, you may be the someone wonderful calculations. When you are done, you can choose one nonsense option.
your answer will
Please, let's be careful with these things, okay? Let's be careful. You see how we now explain everything wonderfully. We have explained it, and it sounded so sweet and so delicious. Now, to now go and choose the option, you go and choose none of the above. And one annoying thing about OBJ is that nobody cares to know whether you know it. Nobody cares to know the logic you did before you get to the answer. Even in essay, because you are writing, the person can be so okay, here's the point to wonderful point. Let me just give some mark. But this one, that thing you did, if you're not careful, you choose the wrong option and fail it. That's why I always advise students, please, first step, look at the question, understand the question. Second point, look at the options, understand all the options, and link the options with the questions. You must link them. If you don't link them, you fail it. No, for real. This is techniques of answering OBJ. You must link your options with the question, because some options are designed based on how the questions were asked. Very important. So please let us not forget that. Next question is what?
Number 10
says what?
Following is a type of cream except A, hydrophilic cream, B, hydrophobic cream, C, all of the above, D, none of the above.
What is the answer?
None of the above.
Except
all of them are what? Types of what? Cream. But the question says which of them is not. So none of the above is not. Because all of them are. Next question.
The type of cream.
Question what?
11.
Okay.
The type of cream in which water is dispersed in a continuous oily phase is referred to as A, hydrophobic cream, B, hydrophilic cream, C, water in oil cream, D, none of the above.
What's the answer?
No.
Bagam.
There's nothing like water in oil cream.
Bagam.
The answer is hydrophobic. Oh, gee. If it's like of emotion, you are seeing a name for cream.
Go back to the question again. Let's look at that question again.
The type of cream in which water is dispersed in a continuous oily phase is referred to as A, hydrophobic cream, B, hydrophilic cream, C, water in oil cream, D, none of the above.
Okay, B is off, right?
Yes.
D is off, right?
Yes.
The issue now is between what?
A
and C. So what are types of cream?
Hydrophilic and hydrophobic.
Is that what we are taught? Types of cream. And what and what?
It's easy.
Oh yeah, check types of cream. I need that one. Check types of cream. Please, I beg you, please, I used to tell my students, please don't be a handout. You are professional. Don't be a handout pharmacy technician or a handout for pharmacist. That's why you have any course you are doing, have a textbook by your side. Wonderfully, any handout you are given should lead you. but make sure you are grounded on textbooks. It's very important. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Because most times handout are summaries. Or not most handout is just summary that gives you a kind of direction. Please, handout is just what to give you direction to go and do what? Study more. Please, don't depend your knowledge on what? Handouts. I beg you. What do you see?
They are divided into two types.
Okay.
Oil and water creams.
Okay.
Which are composed of small droplets of oil dispersed in a continuous water phase.
Okay.
And water in oil.
Okay.
Creams which are composed of small droplets of water dispersed in a continuous oily phase.
Okay.
That's it.
This is Wikipedia, right?
Yes.
No, leave Wikipedia. Go down to more professional distance. Because Wikipedia is general, so we are let's go to something else that is not purely squarely
So I went to
general.
Research gate is just giving me
Give me
types
another.
of creams in pharmacy. Types of creams are semi-solid emulsions of oil and water. They are divided into two types: oil and water.
You are still in
Which are composed of
Wikipedia. Go to other source. Leave Wikipedia. I have my reason for that. You know, Wikipedia is somehow general. It general in all the fields. But if you go to pharmacy only resource material, you get more details. Load, let's see.
Types of cream.
Okay.
According to aqueous cream and oily cream.
Okay.
So aqueous cream, the emulsions. In case of aqueous creams, the emulsions are oil in water type, e.g. vanishing cream.
Okay.
And in the oily cream emulsion are of water in oil type, that is cold cream. These are water in oil, which is oily cream. These are produced by emulsifying agent of natural origin, e.g. beeswax, wool alcohol, or wool fat. While the oil in water, which is aqueous cream, these are produced by synthetic waxes, e.g. mapodol or cetrimapodol.
God bless you. Thank you. Now, let me now shock you. Hello? Let me now shock you now. Is it anything that is hydrophobic? Is oil in water? Water in oil?
So what did you say?
Is it everything that is hydrophobic? Listen carefully. Is it everything that is hydrophobic is water in oil?
Hydrophobic is water in oil.
Is it everything that is hydrophobic in this life is water in oil?
No, it can't be everything.
Good. Is it everything that is hydrophilic is oil in water?
No.
Have you seen why that thing is wrong? As types of what? Types of creams. I'm not coming now. Types of cream is basically, you can be two categories: aqueous or oily. Then, but the best categorization is what? Water in oil and oil in what? Water. Now, you can now, as a type of a kind of baptism, you cannot say they are hydrophobic. Water in oil. They are hydrophobic because of the continuous phase is oily, so they are hydrophobic. Not that we have is hydrophobic cream as a name. Am I communicating? The standard answer is what? Oil in water, or water in what? Oil. By extension, you can say aqueous. You now go down to start explaining what is that, the meaning of that aqueous. Everything still boils down to what? Water in oil. So if you are faced with such question and you see hydrophobic in the same option, please go to what? Water in oil. They are testing your understanding of what cream is.
What is that?
So if two of them appear on a in option, the most appropriate one is what? That hydrophobic is just describing, telling you, because it is water in oil and the oil phase is small, therefore it is what? Hydrophobic. There are other things that are hydrophobic that is not oil in water. Complete oil entirely is not hydrophobic. Is it not hydrophobic? There are other solvents on their own that is oil likened. Are they not hydrophobic? Am I communicating?
Yeah.
So the standard answer is water in oil. Please, the more you study, the more you read, get information from different sources. It's better. You not handout. Handout is summary. I'm sorry. Handout is just a what? Summary. That's why I tell my students, anything you are doing, please study more. Study more. To me personally, if it's possible to say, my own is just to come and teach. What I'm done, I will just go my way. I even enjoy it, but sometimes most sometimes they get confused. If you don't give them something, they'll look at. But that thing you are being given is for you to look at it. And let it be a base, foundation, upon which you now go and explore. Give you direction of what to read more in that area. That's all. It's not for you to just 2 leaves, 2 pages, 6 pages. You go and grab it and say, you know it. If you come out and face challenge out there, you know nothing. You know what? Nothing. Of course, when I see handout trained, when I see handout pharmacist, I know. When I see a handout pharmacist, even a handout physician, I know. Because up to now, I don't know. Before now, I know that before you even pass medical school for pharmacy school, people from different other sides, other area will come to do viva for you. It's not just about your school exam. Before you pass and graduate, not at end of every promotional exam, but I don't know whether those things. So I'm sorry to say this, but I'm saying it with tears in my eyes. The type of people I see today in America, in some places that are supposed to be hospital or pharmacy working, I ask myself this question: how did they graduate? When you want to engage, that person had nothing to talk about. I know those days, before you pass your promotional exam, not final exam, you have viva. External people will come and sit down and watch you. They throw you question. Not just that your lecturer that gave you 6 handout of 6 page, I can't give you 6 page question, you get A. No. No. Because they believe that internal exam does not give the best, because a lecturer that is lazy, like me now, if I did not teach, we are lecturers now. Would we want you to go and fail, so that it will look as if that our not teaching will be more exposed? No, the thing you can do is to give you that thing. Even if it is one topic out of the entire topic that we taught you, we can give you that one topic. So if you study that one topic, you get A, you can even I know you. Tell you don't do anything. When you leave the shore of that school and see things, that's when you realize that you don't even do anything. Am I committing? So please, the idea is, that's why I keep hitting it to the end. For the beginning of this now, for the beginning of this, since last thing we started, last month we started this now, I kept telling you, please, get your curriculum. Get your what? Make sure that all the topics there, you know them. For each of these courses, I have listed the courses you will write, the course combination you write for each paper. I listed the course combination you will write for each paper. So all you need to do is this: get a curriculum, look at those topics, ask yourself, this topic under this course, do I know it? Do I know it? You don't know it, go through it, then see if you can see questions on that topic. Go through it. Go through the material, whether you are taught or you are not taught. The lecturer that taught you, they've gone. It's your business now. You know that I said they didn't teach us this topic. You are talking to yourself. Is that clear? So please, I beg you, Handout is good, but it's just there for to guide you. It's a guide, not what you just go and grab and relax and say that you have read. No. We are not.
At least university are still better than some schools. We pass.
It's not about passing. Please.
Future purpose.
It's not just about passing. It goes beyond that. People will pass now, right? Because to pass exam is nothing. People can decide to be giving you answer in an exam you pass. For how long will you continue like that? That's the question. For how long? That's why I don't involve myself in that nonsense. Anywhere, and nobody even come close to ask me. Like, I'm not involved in it, but I'll give you everything you need. Give you everything you need to pass. In my former school, I don't for them to exam. For what? Yeah, yes, sir. Please now, I said, come there to do what? I'm giving you what you need to know. I trust you. I believe you. You go and scatter. Go to whatever I taught you. There's no way you will not scatter. If the result you see 78, almost close to half of the class, above 70 in all the 6 courses, consistently 100% passed till today. Give them what they need. You don't need to be jumping around the class, the whole example. You don't need it. The last one they compared my head said that I should go. I went there before the exam. They said, "Sir, come to the hall. Come to the hall to do what in the hall." I'm not entering hall with you. Enter the hall. Go there and write what I taught you, because I know what I taught you. So if you fail, know that you did not study what I taught you. But if you study what I taught you, you will pass. So please, and I don't know. Sometimes I wonder why some of you are not here. Maybe I don't know. They already have something in mind. They should keep playing. They should keep playing. So passing exam is in this country we are in. Passing exam is no longer an issue. Because people will always pass exam, whether they know it or not. But I don't encourage that nonsense. Everybody in life, I'm not a saint, but everybody in life has what he stands for. I stand for quality. Give you the quality thing you need. Go there. Tomorrow if you come out, people are trained first year, second year. I'm not boasting, but sometimes you say some things. First year, second year, before they go for the IT. They come back and be like, "Sir, do you know that we are even pharmacy students there? We are the one teaching them some things." They were asking us, "Sir, who taught you people? Who taught you pharmaca? Who taught you dispensing? Who is the person that taught you dispensing?" Because there are a lot of things we don't even know, that even you as pharmacy technician student know. How is it possible? So please let us expand, okay? Go beyond that. Now the next question says what? Number what?
Number 12.
Says what?
Which of the following is not an example of medicaments commonly prescribed in ointments for eczema?
Okay.
A. Coulter, B. Calamine, C. Corticosteroid, and D. Salicylic acid.
What's the answer?
Coulter.
What's your own answer? You that read.
No, ASA, that was CSA.
Oh yeah, answer. Wait now, answer. You don't know.
Commonly used. Coulter. What do you want to use Coulter?
Sir, it's Coulter.
Aspirin is accepted salicylic acid.
Please go back to the question, please. Let's understand the question, please.
Which of the following is not an example of medicaments commonly prescribed in ointments used for eczema? A. Coulter.
Hello, please. A is what?
Coulter.
Okay.
B. Calamine.
Okay.
C. Corticosteroids.
Okay.
And D. Salicylic acid.
Two things are involved here. Listen carefully. Two things are involved in that question. You consider the actual drug itself. Does it have any effect on asthma? Then you consider the dosage form. Is it appropriate to formulate it as that particular word? Two tests are here now. The actual pharmacological activity of the ingredient go API. Then at the same time, is it formulated? Is it best formulated as what in a particular word dosage form? So let's start from the active ingredient first. Salicylic acid has any business with asthma? Salicylic acid. No. What are the content of Whitfield ointment? And what is it used for? People that are not coming for this and are missing their lungs. I don't know. Anyway, maybe they are busy, Sha. And after they will not listen to this recording, they will not listen to it. What's that?
Whitfield ointment. It has benzoic acid, salicylic acid.
So what is Whitfield ointment used for? What is it used for?
Yes, I use for.
So I checked on salicylic acid. So the answer that I'm seeing here that salicylic acid is a key ingredient in many skincare products for the treatment of acne, psoriasis, calluses, corns, keratosis, pilaris, and wax. And psoriasis is
so D. Hello, are we together? Please listen carefully, please. D is what? D is an example of medicament, right?
Yes.
Commonly for prescribed as ointment for what? Agreed, right? So D is not the answer, right? All right. Next one is what? So, does corticosteroid have any business with asthma? First of all, does asthma have anything to do with inflammation?
yes.
Are there skin topical medicine that contain for asthma that contain corticosteroids?
Yes.
Are there skin topical medicine preparation for asthma? Can it be used for asthma?
Yes.
Someone say, okay, tell us what I say.
For itching.
Inflammation, bomb. That's what I want to hear. That's why I ask you, is there inflammation in asthma?
Inflammation.
So C is not the answer, right? Go to calamine. Does calamine have any business with asthma?
Yes.
It's not yes, show me. Prove not yes. Prove me. I want proof. Wait, calm down first. You say what?
Calamine is a topical agent used to soothe and protect the skin, often used for itching, redness, and irritation associated with eczema and other skin.
Good. We have not completed yet. So. What of Kota?
Kota is a medicament used in dermatology to treat skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis.
God bless you. Stop there.
So the answer is G.
Now look at the question. Now. The question is not asking you now. Remember, I said if you see any question, try to understand the question. Wait. Immediately I saw the question. I told you there are two things in that question. That short
Medicament.
two things are involved. They are testing your knowledge of the what pharmacological activity and the formulation. We have said that all of them have the business with what eczema pharmacologically. Yes. Now let us not go into the medicine go as ointments now. Which of them is not commonly used as ointment?
It's not commonly used.
As ointment, formulated as ointment. You still not understand the question. wait. Let's not conclude yet. Let not be too fast. I just laugh, but let's not conclude that. Do we have calamine as ointment?
No, it's a lotion.
Do you have quota as ointment? Do you have quota as ointment?
It's a solution.
Then, another point I want to make here is listen carefully. Hello? Listen carefully. Apart from the good. They are see. The answer is calamine for two reasons. One, on the aspect of the dosage form, we have is calamine lotion. Fine, I agree. At the same time again, calamine is, even though yes, it's used in condition of asthma, but its focus is only on the itching, not the inflammatory aspect of it. And the main thing now in asthma is that inflammation. Are you aware? Not just about the itching alone. Are you aware? That's why calamine lotion is used more generally. True of us. So now the answer is what? Which option is that? Option what is the answer now? B. Thank you. God bless you. Next question.
The questions are not for the chapter. From 12 to 19.
No problem. Just after we count the number of questions, and I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Are you with us? Are you sure?
Loss of water from liquid preparation is referred to as.
You say what?
Loss of water from liquid preparation is referred to as A. Evaporation, B. Sublimation, C. Deliquescence, and D. Hygroscopy.
Loss of water.
Again, please, no verse.
Loss of water from liquid preparation is referred to as A. Evaporation, B. Sublimation, C. Deliquescence, and D. Hygroscopy.
There's something I noticed about this question. It seems this thing is not from me. It seems it's from when it was typed, it was printed. Wait, let me check the soft copy of this question. I'm coming. Let me check the soft copy of this question. Maybe I'll send it to you. If I confirm that it's complete, I'll send it to you. Is that clear? That is second BDP, right? BDP, right? Mm-hmm. Because that jumping from 13 to 19 is a full page that was lost. And I know I have up to 3 pages of each of these questions. So let me confirm something. I'm coming. Because 6 questions question may come out from that 6 questions. I said it.
You skipped.
Yes, some questions we are skipped. So I will drop the full questions in your WhatsApp group now. Is that clear?
Let me quickly. Tell me to create another group for Npce exam because not all of them are on that.
So how do you go about it? Okay, don't worry. Okay. See what happened. I will drop this one in there now. Do you have another group you are in?
Yes.
And as all of you, do you have a group all of you are in writing this exam?
Yes.
Both those that are coming from that have graduated since, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll drop in the group. Send it in that group.
Okay.
Maybe after I'll see open. Now I understand what you mean. I'll see open. What am I going to talk? I'll add them After, please, they should add me because I'll change that name to NCT.
It's not everybody that will have with us, right?
It don't matter. It will help them to prepare. Mm-hmm. It's not bad. Is that clear? Okay. So please, those people that are not here, please hit me up so I can add you. So meanwhile, I'll drop this complete question there. Okay. Huh?
Okay.
Have you seen it? Please open it. Let's work with that because this thing is this printed one is not complete.
That's what.
You still do something.
The same thing?
Yes, 18 activities and practices in
Are you serious? How come?
It's not the same. The questions that Mark had.
See it here now.
But it's complete
See
from
12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay.
It's complete. It's complete. Can you see 10, 12? So that one is complete.
Yes. So 13 to 18 is yeah.
So
The general group that is that. No, Chetana's team.
So the point, the next question is the next one, right? The next question is question what?
So it's not here now.
Huh?
Are we not going to do it?
now, maybe you have the person to come together, they are saying it.
Yeah. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, okay, I'm coming. So okay, so we are in number what? Sorry.
Number 13 now.
Number what? 13, right?
Yes.
Please, are we together?
Yes.
Please, let's be okay. Okay, 13 says what?
Vigorous grinding of powders for incorporation by trituration in a mortar may cause A. Impaction, B. Separation, C. Homogeneity, and D. None of the above.
What is the answer?
C. Vigorous. Vigorous okay on the work.
So what is the answer?
Impaction, powder.
Impaction.
It's
It got a problem. It will cause a problem. The basic that it will cause a problem. All the other ones there are just the desired result. True or false?
True.
Normal desired result. So impaction is never a desired result. True or false?
True.
Homogeneity is what we want to achieve. Separation, even though separation is opposite of, but rigorous cannot cause separation. It will cause what? Impaction. Is that clear? So the answer is what? A. Next question.
The additives to ointment bases include the following.
You say what?
The additives, I can see it, to ointment bases include the following except A. Silicone, B. Vegetable oils, C. Lower fatty alcohol, and D. Polar organic solvent.
Again.
Additives to ointment bases include the following except A. Silicone, B. Vegetable oils, C. Lower fatty alcohol, and D. Polar organic solvents.
What is the answer?
Silicon.
Silicone. What's silicone? You find inside.
One large breasts.
Additives.
What's this?
Well, I said yes.
Additive.
General platform.
Look at the question. This is say additive to what?
Ointment.
Ointment.
So silicone is yellow.
What is silicone used for?
It is used to aid absorption. To aid
Let me look at the options. One after the other. Oh, chim.
Silicone are used as sealants, adhesives, lubricants, medicine.
God bless you. The next option is what? Let's take the option one by one, please. So silicone is there, right? So next option is what? We are chatting.
I sent this thing.
Okay.
The second one is vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil, inclusive. It can be there. I agree with you. Next one. Lower fatty, yeah, it can be there. I agree with you. What of
This one that you agree.
polar organic? What of polar organic solvent?
What are you? What do you want to incorporate? You've already incorporated already now. So what are you solving?
It had polar organic solvent. You are not with us in this class. You are not. You are hungry. After.
That one is
No, look at the question again.
And water and alcohol are types of polar organic solvents.
Are they added in
Yes.
what? As additive. Additive, polar organic solvent as an additive.
What are you?
What do you want to achieve as an additive? In ointment. What is it doing there in ointment?
If that it was in a solution, we could have said, oh, okay, but for an emulsion, it's not
So
necessary.
the answer is what? D, right? Which is what? Polar organic what? Solvent. Next one.
The interaction between sodium borate and the free acid in beeswax produces A. Anionic emulsifying wax cream.
Okay.
B. Cationic emulsifying wax cream.
Okay.
C. Borax cream.
Okay.
And D. Creams emulsified with non-ionic surfactants.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Sodium borate plus beeswax free acid will form borax cream. Okay? Yes.
Borax cream.
For borate now, Borate string, we have sodium borate and beeswax free acid. What's that?
No, I'm not looking at everything.
You say What's that? What do you want to check? Okay, you want to confirm it. It's okay, I like that.
Types of borate.
Even though A and B are types of are emulsifiers, but it's not
So
for.
what's the meaning of that cationic and anionic emulsifying? I don't know it. That's an answer.
Cation, anion.
Because Baba asked us.
Ask you what? He asked you, who asked you?
How did he even ask the question that yesterday?
He asked you, and up to now you didn't look for it and get the answer. Is that how you study? A question was pushed for you, you didn't look at it to find out. Now look it up. For me, cation, anion, what does it tell you? What's a cation and what is an anion? What does it tell you?
Cations, anions carry positive, ions that carry positive charge. Why cation carry?
Yeah. You say what?
No.
You say?
That is in physics.
Chemistry. And now charge.
Say it again.
Let's say very well.
Say it again. Let me hear.
Cation, they carry positive charge. Why anion carry negative charge?
You said negative charge. What you said before? Continue.
Potassium, sodium.
It's okay. Look what I say.
Cationic.
B is what? Does what? No, I'm listening now. So what does it do? How is it B? What do you say B? You guessed.
You already said the answer now.
No. See. Please, please. If I say any answer here, I don't teach by what is it called? I don't do what is it called? Stereotype lecturing, teaching. If I say something here and you have a point that will counter it, say it out. So that's why I came to that when you said catanoid, so that's why I came to, so you can tell me how is it, why is it, and how.
Acid is involved. The answer is borate.
Sodium carry positive charge.
What is catanoid?
Wait, acid carries positive charge.
And cation is positive charge.
Kini you, sir?
You don't want you.
What's the question again?
The interaction between sodium borate and the free acid in beeswax are coming. Interaction between sodium borate.
According to my research, the answer is borate.
I love this.
Interaction between
Sodium borate and free acid in beeswax produce.
Option A is what?
Option A is
Anionic what?
emulsifying wax.
What is anionic emulsifying wax? Check it now. You say you don't know. Angela, okay, find out for us. What is catanoic emulsifying?
It produces.
What did she say? He said they produce what? Doing.
That's as an emulsifier. I don't know resistance. He said it produces Cerutic acid produces sodium soap. So when we were doing HLB value, sometimes they go in 200 level, second semester. Sodium soap is an example of metals, alkaline metals. And so sodium carries a positive charge of 1. Therefore, it produces a cationic, I guess. Because borax soap, and borax cream is produced from sodium borate. So that one might not actually be the answer, because like we are.
And when sodium borate now, when you combine it with beeswax free acid, what is
you
formed?
get cationic this thing, I guess.
What is that?
So if you combine sodium borate and beeswax, you now form emulsifier. You now form emulsifier.
Explain for us.
I've told you yes, now. You say you want to. I'm waiting now. I didn't want to say you are wrong. I want you to prove me wrong. That's what I want to yes, so nothing. I told you the answer already. No. See, I've said the answer. But I want you to say your own. If you think, say it, bring it up.
Explain so a borax cream for us.
Borax cream is now, it is already emulsified.
Okay.
Is that clear? It's not emulsifier you are forming again.
You are producing a product.
It's not emulsifier you are forming. It's emulsified cream. It's already emulsified here.
Okay.
You are telling me that it's a cationic emulsifier that you produce. That's why I ask you. So if you combine sodium borate and beeswax free acid, you now form emulsifier. That's why I threw that question to you.
Sir, yeah, I think that borax, which is an alkaline material, saponifies beeswax to soap. So it is not the beeswax by itself that is the emulsifier, it is the resulting soap. That
is the result now, the borax cream now. But you know that the two options there that are causing this issue is cationic emulsifier and anionic what? Emulsifier. That's why I asked you. So you're telling me now.
So the issue that we now have is that we did not understand what cationic and anionic emulsifier is.
Apart from that, even the term emulsifier self. So we sodium borate and the free beeswax free acid form an emulsifier.
No, it can't.
So why are you calling cationic and emulsifier? Leave cationic aside. The key word there is what? Emulsifier. Will emulsifier be formed in the first place?
No, soap or cream is not.
A cream is already an emulsified product, right? So that alone, even if you don't know what anionic is, you don't know what cationic is, that one is able to tell you that it's not an emulsifying agent that we formed. It's not an emulsifier that we formed.
But
emulsified products.
Right. Okay.
So what we form is what? Borax what? Cream. Which is what? An emulsified cream. In fact, it's this combination that makes it an emulsified cream. Am I communicating? Next question is what?
16. The following are characteristics of hydrocarbon bases except A, they are sticky. B,
they are what?
They are sticky.
Okay.
B, they are miscible with water.
Okay.
D, they are not absorbed by the skin.
Okay.
And D, none of the above.
What is the answer?
B.
B is what?
They are miscible with water.
Yes, because they are not miscible with what?
Water.
True or false?
True.
So 17 says what?
Which of the following is used as ointment base when easy removal from skin is advantageous?
Again?
Which of the following is used as ointment base when easy removal from the skin is advantageous.
Okay.
A. Absorption base.
Okay.
B. Water miscible base.
Okay.
C. Hydrocarbon bases.
Okay.
And D. All of the above.
What's the answer?
The answer is water miscible.
Yes. Is that clear? Because the one that is, the other one is what? Greasy, right? They will stick, right? Good. So, number 18.
The method in which finely subdivided insoluble medications are evenly distributed by grinding with a small amount of base or one of its ingredients, followed by dilution with generally increasing amount of base.
What's the answer?
Trituration.
What's the answer now?
Trituration.
Trituration. Did you hear stirring?
No.
So the answer is what? Trituration. Is what?
Trituration.
Trituration involves grinding and dilution for uniformity. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please note that point too.
Number
19.
Loss of water from liquid preparation is referred to as A. Evaporation, B. Sublimation, C. Deliquescence, and D. Hygroscopy.
What's the answer?
Evaporation.
Yes. Sublimation is changing from solid to gas directly. Deliquescence is absorption of water and forming what? And dissolving in it. While absorb but does not do what? Dissolve. It can become sticky, right?
Yes.
So the answer is what? Evaporation. 20.
Amber bottle is recommended for storing liquid preparation to prevent A. Light penetration, B. Oxygen penetration, C. Sun penetration, and D. Humidity penetration.
What is the answer?
Light penetration.
Is it light?
Yes.
What is it?
Yes.
Light can be any light. It can be bulb.
Preparation is well. It's light.
What kind of light?
Any kind of light.
Including bulb light. So
Yes.
that means not all lights in your pharmacy.
That's why they are putting amber bottle.
Sun is a source of light.
Moon God is
That was the sunlight. The main thing is photo. Lighting, light, photo, not sun. Sun is only a source of light. Photo, light.
Photo label product.
Hey, see confusion. Sun, light. You see confusion? So if you don't know the meaning of photo, you are afraid that question immediately. Because you rush and pick sun. Because you think that the sun is the only source of light. she's confused. Okay, let's give her a fair here.
Is that the reason why I said so?
Wait.
Now you ask this question.
Let's listen to her, please.
For so long, so far I have been
Yes.
hearing about this amber bottle and this light penetration, and I believe that is the sunlight they're talking about. They're not talking about the bulb light. That is why I said sun penetration, since I saw light there. So I thought the light was actually referring to this normal light that we on in our house or something. I didn't know that. So I understand.
There are different sources of light.
So if they said photo now, I would have, if they put like photo penetration on it, I would have picked photo. But since there's light there,
what's the question?
sun.
What's the question?
Amber bottle is recommended for storing liquid preparation to prevent.
So to prevent what?
Light.
Wait, to prevent what?
Light penetration.
Now, is that not the answer?
Sir, the reason why I picked
Sun.
I'm talking about sun. If it's that it's only light penetration there now, my own mind be that the light they're referring to is sun. But since there's light there and there's sun,
So which one will you choose? Is it sun you will choose?
sir, it's sun I would choose. But
There are different things that can come from sun.
Even the sun is not the problem, the light that is coming from
Is light from the sun is the issue.
is the issue now.
You can either be light, you can either be sun, it could be the moon, it could be the star itself, it could be the
fine. Other sources of light may not have the enough energy or enough strength to cause issue. But what matters is light.
Is a problem.
Is the problem, not sun. Sun is not light. That's why they call it sunlight. Light from sun. Is that clear?
Starlight.
All right. Next question says what?
Which of the following is not needed during compounding? A. Mortar and pestle. B. Spatula. C. Class A and B balance. D. None of the above. None of the above.
So
you are none of the above.
We need all of them, right? Yeah. Good. Next question.
Aqueous solutions used to prevent or treat throat infection is A. Gargles. B. Mouthwashes. C. Paints. And D. None of the above.
Paints.
What's the answer?
Paints. Skin paints and throat paints.
Go back to wait now. Go back to let's understand the question. Go back to it again.
Aqueous solution. Now solution.
The other is what? The other is what? That goes, please. 23 says what?
The auxiliary label not to be swallowed in large amounts is for A. Mouthwashes. B. Gargles. C. All of the above. And D. None of the above.
All of the above.
What's the answer?
All of the above, sir.
It's all of the above. Where will you want to swallow it?
So the answer is what? All of the above, right?
Yep.
Good.
24. Which of the following bases is used when superficial medication is necessary? A. Absorption base. B. Water miscible base. C. Hydrocarbon base. And D. Water soluble base.
Again.
Which of the following bases is used when superficial medication is necessary?
Okay.
A. Absorption base. B. Water miscible base. C. Hydrocarbon base. And D. Water soluble base.
What's the answer?
Superficial means surface.
Yeah.
That's skin.
That means it can cause occlusive effects on the skin. So what's the answer?
Absorption.
23. They are good. They have good. Just on the skin.
On the
Not
skin.
going to penetrate.
No.
Hydrocarbon.
Is hydrocarbon now?
Hydrocarbon.
Is hydrocarbon? No, just no deep penetration, just on the skin. Is hydrocarbon, and they can stay there. Two of us. Is hydrocarbon.
Unless you use soap to wash it.
Have you shared the quick questions? The marking. Hope you are marking. Hope you are marking.
Me, I forgot.
You forgot what?
Akọ̀wé kan wúrà.
No, she was talking about something.
Okay. So the answer is what?
C.
C. Hydrocarbon. So others are used more for what? Either all the options. Some are used for deeper penetration. Other for what? Water solubility. Is that clear? So the answer is what? C. Hydrocarbon what? Based.
Number 25.
25 says what?
Which of these bases is of an important advantage if the skin is inflamed?
Again?
Which of these bases is of an important advantage if the skin is inflamed? A. Water miscible base. B. Water soluble base. C. Hydrocarbon base. And D. Absorption base.
What's the answer?
Hydrocarbon
base.
Liar.
Inflamed.
Water.
Read the question again.
Which of these bases is of an important advantage if the skin is inflamed?
Okay.
Is either A or B?
B. Water soluble. C. Hydrocarbon base.
Inflammation.
Absorption base. So that if there is exudate, maybe they can actually absorb the what? Discharge. Is that clear?
So So
So the answer is D.
Is B.
Is B.
Sorry, D, sorry. Absorption base, D.
Sir,
Over what should you mark?
information does not necessarily have to come in form of study.
Yeah, of course, of
But
course.
when the book
It's 19 that we have. 19 questions.
So, see what you do. Hello? See what you do. Count,
19.
See your life. Continue. Count, Count. Whatever the person scores, divided by 19, multiplied by 100. So whatever the person scores, divide by 19 and multiply by 100. Approximate it to the nearest whole number. Simple.
divide by 19.
And multiply by 100. Approximate it to the nearest whole number. All right, thank you very much. I was told, are you listening? Just 1 minute. Please, if you are done, submit your own, please. Sorry. What? No, you give you food. Fast to please. He actually gave me an instruction this morning. He said that I just saw his message. He said that maybe he went to somewhere. I don't know when he will arrive. So he said that after this morning session that I should give him 30 minutes. Then we'll come again. I should continue. So that he's on his way. So when he comes, if he doesn't come back, we'll know. Is that clear? So based on that, I will just give 30 minutes. If you come back, the time is 12:09.
But then he sent us in something now. Action of medicine. English tutorial.
I'm telling you what he asked me to do. You're saying what he sent you.
I mean, something they don't have to do before the call goes back. If they actually send us something like that, they expect us to do before the call.
He gave me instruction that I should complete 30 minutes. So which one should supersede? Is it the one he sent you? Let me go. So let's keep to what he asked me to do. He gave me direct instruction. So in 12:40, I'll be back here.
Okay.
Please. Please, I'm acting on what you told me to do, please. 12:40, I'm here. I beg you.